Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P065A, indicates an ACG No Charging Malfunction in the 2017 to 2023 Honda Accord. This malfunction suggests that the alternator is not producing the required electrical output, which is critical for the vehicle's overall electrical system. The malfunction can affect various components because the alternator is responsible for recharging the battery and supplying electrical power to the vehicle when the engine is running. If not properly maintained, this could lead to battery depletion, affecting the vehicle's startup and operation. It's essential to understand the roles of the alternator and the drive belt in this context. The alternator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, while the drive belt connects the alternator to the engine. Thus, any failure in these systems can lead to significant vehicle issues. The error code P065A refers specifically to an ACG No Charging Malfunction. This troubleshooter highlights an issue with the alternator, which plays a vital role in powering the vehicle's electrical systems while driving. Located in the engine compartment, the alternator is pivotal for maintaining battery voltage and supplying energy for various components. The drive belt, which connects the engine and the alternator, must also function correctly for the system to operate effectively. If the alternator fails to charge, the vehicle could experience low battery voltage, leading to further complications. Thus, accurate diagnosis of this DTC is essential for maintaining proper vehicle functionality. Several potential root causes could lead to the triggering of DTC P065A. A faulty alternator is one primary concern. If the alternator's internal components fail, it cannot generate electrical power. Additionally, a worn or damaged drive belt may not transfer necessary mechanical energy to the alternator, hindering its ability to function. Electrical connection issues between the alternator and battery can lead to erratic voltage supply, impacting the entire charging system. It is also worth considering that intermittent issues, such as momentary disconnections in wiring, may not show up consistently, but can lead to the failure at critical moments. Identifying these causes is essential for accurate troubleshooting and repair. Symptoms associated with DTC P065A can range from minor inconvenience to significant operational problems. A common indicator is the battery warning light on the dashboard. This alerts the driver to potential issues with the charging system. In more severe cases, the vehicle may experience engine stalling due to insufficient electrical power. Additionally, other electrical components such as headlights, radio, or accessory power might fail or operate erratically, indicating a broader issue within the electrical system. Observing these symptoms early can often prevent further complications and ensure the vehicle operates safely. Understanding these signs can help in making informed maintenance decisions. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P065A involves initializing the vehicle's electronic systems. Start by turning the vehicle to on mode, which activates the onboard diagnostic systems. Subsequently, clear any existing DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a specialized tool designed to interact with the vehicle's computerized systems. After this, start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 minute, which provides an opportunity for the vehicle's systems to stabilize and assess current conditions. This process is crucial for accurately determining whether the original DTC persists or if other new codes have emerged, allowing for more effective diagnostics moving forward. In the second troubleshooting step, it is essential to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. Pending DTCs indicate that the vehicle's system has detected a fault, but sufficient evidence hasn't yet confirmed it. If DTC P065A is indicated at this stage, then further testing is necessary. If it is not indicated, this may suggest an intermittent issue, meaning that the fault was temporary or has since resolved. In such cases, it may be beneficial to inspect the alternator and drive belt for any physical damage. Furthermore, it can be valuable to check for any historical snapshots of DTC data, which can provide insight into when and under what conditions the fault occurred. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the drive belt's condition, as it is essential for the alternator's reliable operation. Inspect the drive belt for any signs of wear, damage, or improper tension. If the drive belt appears to be in good condition, the next step would be to repair or replace the alternator. An alternator that does not meet specified performance standards is likely the core issue behind DTC P065A. If the drive belt is found to be faulty, replace it with a new one to ensure the proper functioning of connected components. The connection between the belt and alternator is crucial. A well-functioning drive belt not only helps in generating power, but also reduces strain on the engine, contributing to overall vehicle efficiency. After performing necessary repairs for DTC P065A, it's crucial to conduct a final verification of all functions. Begin by rechecking for DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure that the previously indicated fault has been resolved. Following this, confirm that the alternator now provides adequate charging to the battery and other electrical components. A test drive is necessary to observe if the vehicle remains stable and free from symptoms associated with charging failures. This real-world assessment is important to guarantee that repairs have been successful and the vehicle operates within warranty standards. Proper verification helps to ensure that the routing problems have been comprehensively addressed, ultimately leading to reliable vehicle function. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P065A. Regular inspections of the drive belt can help catch wear or damage early, allowing for timely replacement before it impacts the alternator's function. Additionally, monitoring the alternator's performance ensures it is operating within recommended parameters, preventing the risk of sudden failures. Routine checks of the vehicle's electrical system, including battery voltage and connection integrity, can help identify issues before they escalate into major problems. Keeping a well-documented history of maintenance can also provide valuable insights into the vehicle's health, allowing for informed decisions regarding repairs and replacements. In conclusion, DTC P065A indicates a significant issue with the vehicle's charging system, specifically pointing to an ACG No Charging Malfunction. Understanding the intricacies of this DTC, from its symptoms and potential causes to the detailed troubleshooting steps, is vital for any technician or vehicle owner. Following a systematic approach to diagnostics helps ensure accurate identification and resolution of the issue. Preventive maintenance, particularly concerning the drive belt and alternator, can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this issue again. Regular checkups and a keen awareness of vehicle performance can lead to longevity and reliability in vehicle function, ensuring peace of mind while on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.